Hey everyone, Technoman here with a video for you guys. Now, this is what you want to do if you plan on selling, giving away, or trading in your Apple Pencil. You want to follow these steps to first remove and unpair your Apple Pencil from your iPad and then also remove it from your account. So let's get started. So first thing is go ahead and connect it to your iPad. From there on, you want to go into your settings on your iPad, and then from here on you'll see there's a Bluetooth setting. And if you see it's connected here, we need to first disconnect and unpair it. So click on that eye with the circular icon here and then click on forget this device, and we'll click on forget this device. Now after you have done that, you should be good to go to sell, give, or trade it in your Apple Pencil. If you have the Apple Pencil first generation, second generation, or the USB-C model. Now if you have the newest Pro one, you also need to take one more step to ensure that it's not linked with your account. That is by going into the Find My app in your account here. And from my Find My app here, we're going to go to either items or devices to see if that Apple Pencil shows up. Now, if it does show up here, it's not showing up because I only have the second generation Apple Pencil here. But if you have the Pro model, it's going to show up here. And then all you're going to do is click on that and then click on remove this device. And that will unpair or unlink it and remove it from your device that's not attached to your Apple ID account. Again, that's only if you have the Pro model or if you see your Apple Pencil showing up in this list of the devices on your account. So that's what you need to do in order to be able to sell, give away, or trade in your Apple Pencil. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your Apple Pencil, iPad, and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.